pulled pork. Here I am, today I'm vlogging in PHEXID. This is Josh. Yeah. A little blurry. Yeah. That's nice and dingy. And this is before I devour it. Oh, this is a fail. I cannot finish a whole poutine by myself. It's too much. Gone. Hey, so it's Hennessy lady here. Look who I ran into. Yeah. And that's some poutine. I'm doing lots of errands today. I was downtown, and so I was like, "Hey, what's up, PHEXID?" And then we met, and I got some poutine. And now I'm gonna show him that cats live near Parliament Hill, and I hope they still do, because when I was a kid, I would go visit them. And if you don't know about the Parliament Hill cats, there's like a bunch of cats.
I didn't know about them.
It's true.
I didn't know.
They live in like a little shelter near Parliament Hill, and you can put like little donation.
I got 10 cents to donate.
And yeah, so we're gonna show them. We'll see how PHEXID reacts to stray cats living Parliament Hill. Yeah, so peace.
There's another kitty back there and another one there. There's all kinds of kitties. They do exist. See, there's one right there.
That's hilarious.
Trees, and then there's one up there licking himself on the thing.
Hey, cutie. Hey, cutie. It's Hitler.
He's got a little hip. Yep, there he is. Up on the basket, or the, whatever that's supposed to be. He is too. He's gonna go steal some of their food. I know it. Of course he is. Look at him. He's not stupid. There you go, Ottawa. Whoever is in control of this, just wow. Only I would have known about this.
Hey. Oh, careful not to get too close, right? It'll stray. Maybe I don't want to touch it, but. Hey, kitty.
You got a kitty?
Mm-hmm.
She got a little kitty.
Oh, you scared it. Num 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 num. No, these are like the laziest cats I've ever seen. There's one there. There's one there. Oh, well. There was one there. There you see his bum. But anyways, look, the squirrel's just like numbing up their food. They're not doing anything. Oh no. That's a really fluffy, hungry kitten. No skateboarding down this. So this is below Parliament Hill.
We're down like this crazy stairway pathway type deal here. But I noticed something this way that I want to show you guys. So I'm going to try to hop this bar here and hope I don't get hurt doing this.
Or caught. Quick things. Oh, hell. Oh, he's gone. Whatever. So I'm on an adventure with PHEXID, aka Josh. Showed him the cat's Parliament, and now we just found this like little trail that goes to the river, and there's lots of graffiti, cool things like that. I'm pretty sure you can hear Josh vlogging in the background because it's not that interesting over him, I should say. But that's pretty. I don't know where he went. Is he swimming? Jeez, I don't know. Anyways, it smells pretty good here too. It smells like, you know, forest and ocean. It smells a really good smell, so. Oh, there he is. I'm just fishing or something, I think. Or throwing rocks. Yeah, throwing rocks. I'm kind of tired because I had to get like blood work done earlier, so. But poutine kind of helped. And I could use coffee, so. Others.
On both sides, it's like that too. There's like several logs.
Why does Josh talk so much? Seriously.
Why do I talk so much? I don't know. I just like to talk. I think what it is I just like to hear the sound of my own voice. And just like to
I like the sound of my own voice too. Because I mean, if I could run into my own arms on the beach, I so would.